Hello friends, it's me Python Magician and welcome back to tutorial 3. Today I'm going to be teaching you the Python commands. So first Python, alright. So a comment is basically how do you represent it from the rest of the code. Suppose if 3 is greater than 2, print hello world. Okay, this is your code. But if I do the same thing and I put a hashtag. If I put a hashtag, it means that the line is a comment. Alright. Hello world. Alright. So it did not. Okay. Suppose comment if 3 is lesser than 2, print hello world. This would still print hello world and it will not print anything else. But if I just say if print it won't print anything. But same thing if I like I said, if you put a comment, then it will print hello world. Okay, so that's the normal way to represent a comment, by putting a hashtag. Alright, but the other way of displaying a comment is to put 3 double quotes. This is known as a multi-line string. Like I said, my preference is for you to take out a book and write all these. Look, this is a comment. So you can write how many more lines of code you want. Blah blah blah. Wait. Blah 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 something. And again end it with 3. Okay. It does not work here. But if I use an IDE here, yeah, these are the multi-line strings. Okay, multi-line comments, you can put how many were hashtag. Now the difference between a multi-line string and a multi-line comment. A multi-line comment, you for a hashtag, you cannot just say hashtag something 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 and then down something something something. It will give an error. You will have to put another hashtag to comment this line of code too, and then you write other part. But if you use a multi-line string, you can just say 3 quotation marks down and then print hello, and then again finish it off with 3 quotation marks and say run. This becomes a comment. This is called a multi-line string, like what I told. Okay, hello world. Alright, see, multi-line string. Okay. Okay. So that's all for today. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you in the next one. Thank you.